Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 021 underscore Raymond Survey John Jute. Statement. Suppose your hair grows at the rate of 1/32 inch per day. Find the rate at which it grows in nanometers per second. Dear students, problem is completed in these two sentences. Okay? Suppose your hair grows at the rate 1/32 inch per day. Find the rate at which it grows in nanometers per second. Okay, given data is in inch, rather inch 1/32 inch. Okay, given data is in inch and day, but the answer is to be given in nanometers and second. Okay, so it is just a conversion factor related problem. Okay, the remaining part of this statement is just explanatory, informative. It is very useful, but we have nothing to do with it regarding our calculations. Okay, the next informative portion says because the distance between atoms in a molecule is on the order of 0.1 nanometer, your answer suggests how rapidly layers of atoms are assembled in this protein synthesis. Okay, this is just a useful information. However, it is not to be used in our calculation. Okay, we are just concerned with the first two sentences. Okay, problem is almost completed in its first two sentences. Okay, now we move on to next slide to see its solution. We have to make following conversions. Okay, day into seconds, inch into meters, and then into nanometers. Okay, rather we may convert first inches into centimeters, then into meters, then into nanometers. Okay, whatever may be our sequence, we have to make following conversions. Okay, we have to make following conversions: day into seconds, inch into meters, and then into nanometers. We know that 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to the power 9 nanometers. We have discussed this enough in our previous modules. We know that 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to the power 6 micrometers. Okay, and alternatively, on the other hand, 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to the power 9 nanometers. When we divide 1 meter into equal 1 million parts, each part is called a micrometer. And when we take only one of such equal 1 million pieces, that is when we take 1 micrometer and then again divide it into equal 1000 parts, then each part is called a nanometer. Okay. For this purpose, we use following conversion factors. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. is equal to 24 into 60 minutes is equal to 24 into 60 into 60 seconds is equal to 8,604 8,600 86,400 seconds. Okay, 86,400 seconds. Now we come towards inches. We know from table of conversion factors, which is usually given in appendix at the end of a textbook. Okay, 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeter. We also know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. Therefore, this will be alternatively equal to 2.54 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. This is alternatively equal to 0.0254 meter. Now in the next step we will convert meter into nanometer. Okay, this is alternatively equal to 0.0254 into 10 raised to the power 9 nanometer. This is alternatively equal to 254 000 nanometer. Okay, 254 5 times 0 nanometer. This can be alternatively written as 2.54 into 10 raised to the power 7 nanometer. Okay. It can also be written in the form 0.254 into 10 raised to the power 8 nanometer. Okay. It can also be written as 25.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 nanometer. It can also be written as 254 into 10 raised to the power 5 nanometer. Okay. Now we move on to next slide. Now rate is equal to, dear students, up to previous slide we have not used the factor 1/32. Okay. It is here being used when we are calculating rate. Okay. Now rate is equal to 2.54 into 10 raised to the power 7 over 86,400 multiplied by 1/32 nanometer per second. This is alternatively equal to 2.54 into 10 raised to the power 5 divided by 864 into 1/32 nanometer per second. This is alternatively equal to 254 000 divided by 864 into 1/32 nanometer per second. This is alternatively equal to 9.1869 nanometer per second. And this can be written equal to 9.19 nanometer per second. Why we have written 9.1869 nanometer per second equal to 9.19 nanometer per second? This calculation, this approximation, this fact will not be commented on, because in our previous modules we have worked on this a lot. Okay. Additional note. First table having been reproduced is regarding length, in which in the first column 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter, which is equal to, in the second column, 2.54 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, these two conversions have been used in this module. Similarly, in the last row, which is the ninth row of this table, and its font is smaller than upper portion. Okay, in the last row and in the last column, it is written as very clearly that 1 nanometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, three things from this table have been used in our current problem. Now we move on to next slide, which is regarding time. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, and 1 day is equal to 2.738 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 here is equal to 24 hours is equal to 1440 minutes and is equal to 8640 into 10 raised to the power 4 seconds. Okay, so we have used second row in this module. It does not mean that remaining material in this table and in previous table is not useful. Everything given in these two tables is equally important for us. So dear students, here is a small portion of these two tables has been utilized in our problem, while in other problems remaining some point may be involved. Okay, so we should try to understand these two tables very carefully. Okay, this is the end of this module. Okay.